Hello viewers, in this video I'll be going over WTI Crude Oil, ETF ticker symbol USO. Today we are down about 90 basis points and we still have about 5 hours left in trading on the 1 hour chart. We are on positive MACD. I do see us converging down soon and turning negative. On the 4 hour chart we do see a positive trend, but I do see most likely we'll be heading sideways. On the daily chart, we are at support. The 100-day and 150-day moving averages, they are acting as good support at the moment. I do not expect us to move down lower. And for resistance, if we were to reverse and head on higher, the 9-day moving average at the price of $12.55, I do see us hitting that, or if we were to reverse. And if we do continue on down, the price support I see is a concentration of $11. As you can see here, that dated back to February of this year and November and December of last year. If we were to break this support, of course, so if we were to move on higher, that price movement is about 3.7% move up. If we continue on down, that price movement will be about 9.6% move down. On the next module, I'll compare today's current trend with this trend that dated back to May 7th, 2014 to August 1st, 2014. I'll point out why these two charts are similar. So what we have here is we started above the middle Bollinger Band and then we continue on up for several days, and then we broke the uptrend by the trend candlesticks touching the bottom Bollinger Band right here, and then we proceeded to make an attempt, another attempt, but got rejected at the middle Bollinger Band, and then we proceeded continuing down lower and lower right here, and this will be a red circle. So we see that trend here as well. We start off above the middle Bollinger Band, and then we quickly broke off and we find ourselves touching the bottom Bollinger Band right here and touching the middle Bollinger Band right here as well. And then once more, 2 touches on the bottom Bollinger Band right here. So what we have is 1, 2, 3, 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So there's reason to believe that the trends and patterns are similar. The outcome or forecast would also be similar. So what we have here is the forecast model. I'll go day by day where WTI crude oil or USO went to back in May 7th, 2014 to August 1st, 2014. So 1 day out, 2 days out, 3 days out, 4 days out, 5 days out, 6 days out, 7 days out. So back then, WTI crude oil was down about 50 basis points. So most likely we'll end the day or end the week flat, not much movement to the upside or to the downside. The support that we saw in the technical analysis on the 150-day moving average and 100-day moving averages act as a decent support at the moment. And here's the line graph that I compared it to. What we have here is the current trend and the 2014 trend that overlaps it pretty well. And that is all. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.